You can increase your typing speed while playing this simple game on your browser. Simply go to your browser, and then search for this website. I will also leave the link down below in the description. Here, you'll see a few options. To start the game, click on this new game option. This will start the game, and you'll see that the words are slowly coming down. Next, you only need to type these words on your keyword, and the shooter will destroy these words for you. And once you destroy every word, you'll be taken to the next level. Here, you'll again get more words, which will also come much faster than before. You need to keep typing these words before they reach you. If the words reach to the shooter, they will destroy it, and then you'll see the final report. Then you can simply go back and start a new game. This is a fun way to increase your typing speed. You'll also find some other options here on this menu. You can check your stats, go to settings and slow down background music, or you can even add your own text using this option. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.